Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt from V-Twin Visionary, and I'm here today with a 400 watt Road King system for Harley-Davidson baggers from none other than Rockford Fosgate. Fosgate's been in the game forever. Anybody with any sort of audio knowledge knows. And then their power sports stuff has been really well received, and their Harley stuff has been put on hundreds and probably thousands of bikes by now. We are not putting this on a Road King though. I know, we're always doing weird stuff. The deal being is we're using a Road King kit which has a Bluetooth receiver in the back trunk since there's no stereo on the front of this, but we are actually using it on an Electra Glide Standard which doesn't have a stereo in the fairing. We will be using their amplifier which can hold up to 6 speakers or more, I heard. So we're going to run front speakers from the rear to the front of the bike, kind of backwards land as we all know, and run it on Bluetooth from our phone. So it's going to be a very exciting kit to put together, and we will show you the way on how to do it.